Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol QS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the bleeding on this one continues, and to best illustrate this, I mean, this trend line right here truly is doing a very remarkable job at just illustrating the selling pressure that exists over the past several days. I mean, even today, the price got, I don't want to say hit it exactly, but, it started to go sideways, got relatively close to that red line, and then back down. The price continued to drift downwards. So while I'm not saying that red trend line can never, ever be broken to the upside, I'm just saying that it's become very clear that the selling pressure is in full control. And I do understand that just saying selling pressure is in full control, I mean, those are just words, right? I fully admit that. But that's what I love about charts, is they allow you to take words and make them very visual. So when I say the selling pressure is in control, I just mean that via that trend line right there. That could change at any moment. The price could all of a sudden decide to, burst back to the upside, and at that point, it starts to become more logical to question, okay, maybe the selling pressure is finally gone. Maybe it's alleviated a little bit. But until that happens, I would be very skeptical of any sort of upwards price movements, because you have to err on the side of, just past history and what's been going on. And that's just, any sort of upwards movements ultimately just, bleed back to the downside. So moral of the story there, continue to watch that trend line. That is by far, the most important area from a resistance side of things. As far as levels of support are now concerned, first level going to be right there at the $50 mark. And then if the price hits 50 and then just continues on down, next key level after that down there at $47.50. So 50 and then $47.50. Next couple of key levels of support. But yeah, as of now, the selling pressure definitely still in the bearish direction. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.